and welcome to this video. Today I want to show you how to make heavy duty disinfectant for cleaning floors and toilets, bathrooms, in hospitals, schools, food processing areas or public areas with high traffic. Here is what you will need. First, 1 kilogram of ungerol, half kilogram of NP9, 100 milliliters of DOD, 1 kilogram of salt. Then we have 40 millimeters of pine oil and 5 millimeters of formalin. Lastly, we have 25 grams of color. This will make up to 20 liters of very powerful disinfectant. So the first thing, in a large container, put ungerol and salt into it and stir very well until you obtain a uniform consistency, till the two are very well mixed up. Follow this procedure very carefully, because if you do it any other way, the results will definitely be different. So be sure to follow to the end without skipping any step, so that you can make a high quality disinfectant that you can supply, or you can start to do your own business. You can supply to local hospitals, local schools, and any other people may need it. Once you're satisfied that it's very well mixed, you're going to start adding 10 liters of water, slowly by slowly, 1 liter after another, while stirring. This is our water. So we're going to add 1 liter and you keep stirring, another 1 liter and you keep stirring, so that by the end of it, it is well mixed. Remember to check the description box for all the chemical names of these particular chemicals that are used, because I've just used the local names while making the video, but for better understanding, check the description box. Once you're satisfied that it's well mixed, we're going to the next step, where we're going to add the NP9 and the 100 millimeters of DOD to the mixture. Then we continue stirring. You will notice that it has thickened so much. So at this point, we are again going to add the remaining 10 liters of water. Remember, we said that then we'll have 20 liters of disinfectant. So add the next 10 liters one by one until you attain the last one, slowly by slowly, as you continue to stir the mixture. On to our last step now. We're going to take a separate container And in this particular container, we're going to put the 3 remaining ingredients, that is the color. To the color, we will add the pineal, 40 millimeters pineal, and then lastly we put in the 5 millimeters of formalin, just as you can see. And then from here we're going to scoop 1 liter of the former mixture, the one in a big basin, 1 liter of it, and we pour inside here just as you see in the video, and stir very, very well. Make sure to stir it very, very well until it's well mixed. Once it's well mixed, we are going to take it and return it to the larger container. We pour it into the larger container so that it can become mixed up again. From here, stir it again until it's well mixed. You'll really need a lot of energy for this work because that constant stirring may not be easy. But to get better results, just make sure you stir it consistently until the end of the process. While doing this, make sure that you wear protective gear and be in an open air place or a well ventilated area for your own health. And then lastly, once it's ready, we're going to set it for like 1 to 2 hours so that the foam on it can go down. You see, at this point it has been settling for 2 hours and it's now ready for storage. Put in a container and make sure to label that container very well. With the labeling, also add that it should be stored in a dark place away from direct sunlight. So at this point, it's ready for the supply and the money can now come in. What a happy business to do. Hope you do yours and succeed at it and get many tenders and do many supplies and get rich soon. Thank you so much for watching.